Apple stock is under heavy selling pressure after breaking key support levels. But here's the big question. Could the $245 demand zone be the perfect place for a major reversal? Let's break down the technical analysis and find out. Looking at the daily chart, Apple has already shown a change of character, signaling that bullish momentum has weakened. The stock also broke below the previous day's low, confirming strong selling pressure. Right now, the bears are clearly in control and momentum remains negative. The $245 to $250 zone is one of the strongest support areas on the chart. This area represents a major demand zone, the discount zone where institutional investors often look for value, a previous strong low that attracted buyers before. Historically, these areas can become attractive entry points for smart money. If Apple reaches the $245 zone and forms bullish confirmation, such as a bullish engulfing candle, a hammer, or a strong increase in buying volume, the stock could stage a significant rebound. Potential upside targets would be first target $270, second target $290, major resistance $300 to $310. A successful bounce could offer an attractive risk-to-reward opportunity. However, investors should remain cautious if Apple fails to hold the $245 support and closes below it with strong volume. The next downside target could be around $230 to $235. That would indicate sellers are still in full control. The best approach is simple. Don't buy just because price reaches support. Wait for confirmation. Look for bullish candlestick patterns, increasing buying volume, higher lows, a break above short-term resistance. Confirmation dramatically improves the probability of a successful trade. The $245 zone is one of the most important price levels for Apple right now. If buyers defend this area, we could see a strong recovery. But if this support breaks, the stock may fall even further. So keep this level on your watch list. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stock market updates and technical analysis.